Damage happens every day. You're getting it from the environment, mechanical, UV rays.
After repairing your hair with the K18 mask, you want to protect it as much as you can. Just like our skin, our hair needs protection from outside aggressors like UV, but also pollution, and that's where Damage Shield comes in.
Damage Shield is different from every other conditioner. The second it touched my hair, it was like butter.
So soft.
And the crazy thing is, it does that without any film-forming ingredients like waxes or silicones. It's super, super lightweight.
And it gives you conditioning protection for up to 3 days against environmental, mechanical, and UV rays.
Maintaining hair health comes down to everyday practices. To repair damage, you use the K18 Treatment Mask, and in between treatments, you use the Damage Shield to protect. This is key for the hair to not only look healthy, but also to be healthier.
And the mask and the Damage Shield together work together as like a dream team.
Right.
So the mask will repair the hair from the inside out, which is great. And then Damage Shield comes in to protect the hair from any further damage.
Right. And I love to use it after highlights because it's so detangling. It really helps me to like brush out all those teasy lights. And when my client's using it at home, they're getting the conditioning protection in between the days that they're using the mask.
Yeah, they come back with their hair in better condition.
This is K18's Damage Shield Protective Conditioner. Next level defense, powered by biotech.